Man, I'm just totally overpaying for those gas canisters. But check out this one I built myself. With half a liter of gasoline, this thing can stay lit for hours. To get this project started, all you need is this stuff right here. 2 empty bottles, a DC air pump, one 9-volt battery, some tubing, and a set of burners. At the end of the video, I'll even show you how to make the burner head, just in case you don't have one. First things first, we got to build a good body for it, and that's basically just a water pipe and a little bit of style. To make it easy to carry, I'm gonna whip up a strap using some simple stuff you can find in literally every house. Next up, we're going to cut a spot on the main body for a toggle switch. You can seriously use any kind of glue for this part. We're going to put 2 holes in the cap of each bottle. You'll see in a bit why we're using 2 bottles for this. It's gonna make total sense soon. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. You're awesome. Just like in the video, we're putting the hoses inside the bottles. For this part, the stronger your DC pump is, the more powerful your flame's gonna be. Make sure you connect the hose to the output of the DC pump, because this thing needs to blow some serious air. We pour gasoline into the first bottle and water into the second one. Here's how it works. The pumped air turns the gasoline into vapor, and after passing that vapor through the water, the risk of the flame shooting back into the gas bottle is reduced. And this way, the setup becomes reasonably safer to work with. Once the electrical part of the setup is complete, it's time to move on to the burner and make a few small tweaks. We connect the output hose to the burner and tighten it up with a clamp. Like I told you, this small amount of gasoline can keep the burner going for hours. I'll show you the test at the end of the video. For those of you who don't have a proper burner, don't worry. All you need is a piece of metal pipe attached to the end of the hose. It won't give a perfect flame, but hey, it gets the job done.